Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Windows 11 search box displaying blank or white page. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings. Then go to personalization. From here, click on start. You'll get these three options under recommended. Simply turn them off and see if this helps resolve the issue or not. However, if it doesn't, then come to settings again, then go to privacy and security, then scroll down and click on search. From here, make sure the search history is turned on, then scroll down, then click on Indexer Troubleshooter. From here, choose the second option, click on next. Follow the on-screen instructions and apply the troubleshooting provided by Windows. If this does not work, then come back here again and click on Advanced Indexing Options. Then click on Modify. Checkmark the box of C drive. Click on OK. And wait for the indexing process to complete. Once the indexing process is complete, simply close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and this should fix the issue. However, if you still get the error, then the last resort left is to install the Microsoft Edge Web View to Runtime. So I have already created a video on this topic. So you can simply watch it from the link given in the video description and install it, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.